In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for Zoho CRM. To get started, first log in to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, since the security settings you're about to change will apply specifically to the account you're currently using. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a side panel with account-related options. In that panel, look toward the bottom left and click My Account. When you do that, Zoho will open a new web page where your broader account settings are managed. On this new page, go to the panel on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Multi-Factor Authentication. Click that to open the available two-factor authentication methods. At this point, you'll see several options including Zoho OneAuth, OTP Authenticator, Security Key, and Pass Key. You can choose whichever method works best for your needs and devices. In this walkthrough, we're using Pass Key, which is often one of the quickest and most convenient options if your device supports it. After selecting Pass Key, click Setup Now. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter a name for your Pass Key. Give it a clear name that helps you recognize the device or method later. For example, you might label it based on the computer or phone you're using, so it's easier to identify if you manage multiple devices. Once you've entered the passkey name, another pop-up will appear. Click Create to continue. Zoho will then prompt you to enter a recovery PIN. This PIN must be exactly 6 digits, so choose something you'll be able to remember, but that isn't too easy for someone else to guess. After entering the 6-digit recovery PIN, press Enter to complete the setup. And that's it. Your two-factor authentication setup is complete. As a quick final tip, it's a good idea to store your recovery details somewhere secure, because they can help you regain access if you ever lose access to your main authentication method. Taking a few minutes to enable this extra layer of security can make a big difference in protecting your Zoho CRM account and the data inside it.